Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design WooCommerce shop page with Elementor. Let's get started. So let's scroll down right here on our pages side, and then from in there, just locate the store that we have right here. So I'll just locate my shop page from in this. So in here, I have in here my shop page. So I'll head over and then just try to edit it out by clicking on this edit option right here. Now, in here on the new tab, we should be able to see in here the shop page that I have, but on default, it will open on the block editor of WordPress instead of the Elementor. You can see it right here. Next thing we need to do is we need to click on this Edit with Elementor in order to edit this particular page with Elementor. As you can see right here, I have now my shop page. So in order to edit it out, I can add in here a container that I want to actually put. So on the container that I have, I can make this a flex box or a grid. So it totally depends on you. Now click on this plus icon, and then from in there, you can actually just search in here for product. And in here, you can see some options such as this Woo product table, archive products right here, but take sure to note that this product icon means that this is only available for the pro, but it has a lot of things that you can do in order to customize your shop page. So let's add this Woo product table in order to see what it looks like. So you can select a table list for this one, and I have table list in here for clothes. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. I can add some things to my cart, or if you want to create a new table, you can click on this create right here, and then it will leave the site in order to create a new table for you. Now, you can also add another things aside from products. You can also add headings, images, videos, text editor, and a lot of things for this case. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.